While cell phones can be a gift, critics say they can also expose us to a host of negative side effects. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says heightened screen time can lead to symptoms of depression and anxiety, especially among teenagers. But as parents witness the impacts on their kids, it's causing some to rethink their own cell phone habits. Fox News' Chris DeMayo reports.
Smartphones can help keep us informed, but with our heads buried in screens, we could be missing out on critical life moments.
That's really our goal as a company, is to create phone-free spaces.
Cell phones can especially be addicting for children. To help prevent them from being distracted while in school, officials at Yonder have created phone locking pouches.
But also acknowledging that everybody needs boundaries, that there's when you have a smartphone in your hand, of course it's going to solicit your attention.
But according to a recent report from the company, parents with kids between the ages of 8 and 17 are starting to rethink their own relationships with their phones. This after noticing how much time their kids spend on their devices.
My husband and I know, okay, time to dial it back on the phone, because there is a change in the way that they interact with us and with each other. Hey, have you eaten breakfast? No, I haven't eaten breakfast. I haven't brushed my teeth. They haven't done the basic needs because they've been so plugged into that device.
The report found 77% of parents said that they regret not being more present because they were on the phone.
We're really quick to call it out on our kids, but not quick to call it out on ourselves.
Meanwhile, 43% of parents said increased phone use is worsening their mental health.
I think there's a deep hunger in all generations now to be fully immersed in experiences.
And 37% said it's damaging their romantic relationships.
The issue is not just around kids. This is a big societal question. How much do we use phones?
Chris DeMayo, Fox News.